collecting the seeds, following the 3 R's, that is reduce, recycle and reuse. Then we don't have to wait for a day. We will make this or a better place with our day-to-day small steps. Are you all understanding? Yes. So we have to continue with this activity which you all started with bird feeder, which you all started with saving the seeds, which you all started with, yes, creating eco bricks, and today we are going to prepare a compost. Do not forget to water the birds before coming to school. Provide some water to your stray birds, to stray animals. Yes, and also take care to hydrate yourself. Ensure you are following all the protocols. Ensure you are taking care of yourself, your family, and overall the environment. With this, we can create a sustainable lifestyle and a sustainable, healthy motherhood. Thank you.
Very good evening, my dear students. Today we all celebrated World Environmental Day in a very unique, innovative and creative way. On 5th of June, the entire world celebrated World Environment Day in order to offer a tribute to our Mother Earth, the most beautiful planet in the universe. So today we are going to learn some very new techniques that will help us to create a sustainable environment for ourselves. So today we are going to learn to make compost. Yes, Miss Ashna, the way there are some techniques by which we can make a very good compost for our garden. So today we teachers have planned a very new activity for him, wherein we are going to prepare a compost and we are going to use that compost for our school garden.
Yes. And let's not make it just one day Environment Day or World Environment Day. Let us make it a different everyday habits we are going to create, and this everyday habits are going to make a lifestyle, and this lifestyle will definitely create a sustainable environment, a sustainable human being, so that we don't have to raise our slogans every year. Instead, the planet Earth will give us more beautiful benefits like it is always giving. And as a result, our planet will be disease free, our planet will be pollution free, because we will be reusing our own waste to create again a very sustainable environment. So let's begin, teachers.
Absolutely, Miss Ashna. As students, you all know that at Srimati Taramai Bhatta Memorial Academy, every important day is celebrated in a unique way. So our theme for Environment Day is only one Earth. So let's save and protect our Earth by some very natural ways that we can do as a tribute to our Mother.
We are already going to add big stones in the next procedure. So let us now just pick up some soil which you already must be having in your garden. Now here in this terracotta pot, first and foremost ensure that it is drained from below. Once holes are made, start adding a layer of soil. Okay? So step number one, take a terracotta pot. Ensure that it has some drainage holes in it. Once it has some drainage holes in it, we have to add the soil. Now over here our soil is not at all that dry or that wet. So let us first take the procedure of adding not too much but very little water. Start sprinkling water. Teacher? Start sprinkling some water. The soil should be the one you find in your earthen pot. As you can see that earthen pot soil is quite moist, but as our soil is not that moist right now, we can make it moist. If you have that same soil, no problem, you can use that, but please ensure that you do not add a lot of water in it. Always remember the layer of wet and dry. As over here our layer is already quite wet, now we are going to add some stones.
It is such a wonderful experience that we are making compost for our own school garden.
As we had quite a lot of big pebbles in the soil itself. So 7 to 8 pebbles should do. Okay, now again we have covered this with little dry part. Now we will ensure that we will add this dry leaves and the dry flowers. Dear children, it's working, right? Dear children, I always ensure that I do not pluck trees. I do not pluck flowers and I do not harm trees. So we can gather all the dry leaves, the dry flowers in our from our own garden. Once we do that, we have already a very huge layer of this dry leaves and dry flowers. As you can see, there are also dry leaves in it. Again, we have got a layer of dry over here. So we need to add little bit of water.
Dry leaves are, the cheapest biodegradable material that is available without any cost, without any investment, with which you can create a very good compost for your
Once
garden.
we want compost, please ensure that you all have pav bhaji a day before, because as you can see that we have a lot of vegetable peels, especially we get so much of vegetable peels if we make pav bhaji at home. Correct, teacher?
While making the compost, you should be ensure that you keep a good balance of wet as well as dry biodegradable.
Also, we worship. So if we come across the dry flowers, which often people throw it in the water bodies, so instead of polluting the water bodies, if we can add it in our compost, it will be much more beneficial, as we are giving the earth what it has given to us, and of course it is going to be useful.
Most of the time you see these garlands accumulated on the water bodies.
Please
Actually,
ensure you do
water
not
bodies.
add any plastic.
So instead of adding it in the water bodies, definitely you can use it for the compost.
As you can see, the flowers are already moist. I'll just sprinkle very little water, very little.
तो बच्चों, जैसे कि आपने देखा अभी आशना टीचर और दर्शना टीचर ने पर्यावरण को पर्यावरण में खाद कैसे बनाया जाता है वो आपने देखा। फर्टिलाइजर्स के बारे में आपने ईवीएस में पढ़ा होगा। तो आपने मैन मेड एंड केमिकल्स, ठीक है, नेचुरल एंड केमिकल युक्त खाद यानी कि फर्टिलाइजर्स के बारे में देखा, बराबर। तो अभी इसमें कौन से हैं, तो वेट ये जो है खाद है, फर्टिलाइजर उसमें ऑलरेडी डाला गया है। अभी ये कौन सा है, तो हमारे घर में जो ये रहता है, वेजिटेबल्स काटने के बाद जो भी कचरा रहता है, फिर आम खाने के बाद जो भी उसका ये है छिलका है, तो ये इससे बनाया है। देन पूजा, हम भगवान की जो पूजा करते हैं, उसके बाद जो फ्लावर्स रहते हैं, फूल रहते हैं, जो हम भगवान पर चढ़ाते हैं, वो फूल निकाल के उनसे हम ये खाद यानी कि फर्टिलाइजर बना सकते हैं। और ये नेचुरल है, ये हमारे बोलेंगे तो फार्म के या मिट्टी के लिए बहुत क्या है, अच्छा है। एंड इट इज़ वेरी व्हाट वी कैन से इजी प्रोसेस, जो घर में भी बना सकते हैं। ऐसा नहीं कि आप घर में रहते हो तो आप बोलो कि हम ब्लॉक में रहते हो, तो ऐसा नहीं है। यू कैन टेक डस्टबिन एंड इन दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन मेक लाइक दिस फर्टिलाइजर।
Terracotta
Okay.
pot. Ensure you all are using terracotta pot, no plastic,
No
and do not
plastic,
even
okay.
add any plastic in it.
अभी मैं इसमें क्या डालने वाली हूँ, ये क्या है, क्या है ये, कैसा है, सूखा हुआ है, तो ये मैं इसमें ऐड करने वाली हूँ। ओके, ऑलरेडी इसमें थोड़ा सा दर्शना टीचर और आशना टीचर ने ऐड किया है। तो क्या क्या है, तो प्याज का छिलका है, फूल है तरह तरह के, देन जो वेजिटेबल्स साफ करने के बाद जितने भी छिलके रहते हैं वो हम बचाकर ये खाद बना सकते हैं। ठीक है, ये खाद हम क्यों बनाते हैं, कैसे बनाते हैं, सबसे पहले तो हम घर से ही शुरुआत करते हैं। हम जो भी फल खाते हैं, राइट, सब्जियां खाते हैं, उसके छिलके निकलते हैं ना, प्याज का छिलका निकलती है, आलू का छिलका निकलता है, तो वो वेस्ट नहीं है बच्चों, उससे भी बहुत अच्छे से हम खाद बना सकते हैं। हमारे बिल्डिंग के आजू बाजू में जो भी पेड़ पौधे हैं, उसके जो सूखे पत्ते गिरते हैं ना, वो भी एक प्रकार का खाद है बच्चों। उसको भी इकट्ठा करके ना हमें वेस्ट नहीं करना है, हमें उसको इकट्ठा करके खाद बनाना चाहिए। समझ में आई बात? तो ये खाद हम क्यों बनाते हैं? किसके लिए? हमें खाने के लिए? हम ये खाद क्यों बनाते हैं?
पेड़ों के लिए।
पेड़ों को देने के लिए। पेड़ों के देने से क्या होता है? क्वालिटी बढ़ती है उनकी। समझ में आई बात? उससे क्वालिटी बनती है और उससे अच्छे फल आते हैं। अभी सब कैसे होता है? सब रसायन युक्त, मतलब केमिकल से भरे सारे आम आपने खाए, इसीलिए आप बीमार पड़े, राइट? है कि नहीं? उसको इंजेक्शन दे के उसको क्या करते हैं? बढ़ाते हैं और जल्दी वो पक जाता है, राइट? तो ऐसे नहीं, हमें ना नेचुरली उसको क्या करना है? पकाना है, बराबर कि नहीं? तो वो कौन काम करेगा? ये खाद काम करेगा। तो ये खाद हमें बनाना बहुत ज़रूरी है। समझ में आया बच्चों?